The dog is watching me. It sounds much better now. Let's see how much flight time we get with a little bit of freestyle. I have to get used to the throttle first. I can't go full out yet. Not sure if I even want to do the dive because the throttle is very sensitive. Just goes. And this is with lower pitch props. It's not as loud as a normal 5-inch, but it's still pretty loud. Oh yeah, and the punch outs are like crazy. Let's see if we can do the dive. Yeah, that works, I guess. You can go close to stuff because you can bail out at any time. This is fun. Only thing I don't like are the ants that are crawling on me. Yeah, I like it. It's pretty good. It's like not as heavy as the normal freestyle quads. But I have to figure out a proper action cam mount. Yeah, this is super fun. Getting tickled by an ant. That's mean. Yeah, no problems. Pulling out of the dive. Let's go. What do we have? 4 minutes now. 3.7 volts. I think I just cut the tree that I always crashed the discos on. It has so much hang time, it's crazy. No gas, no gas, no gas, no gas. This is so much fun. Nice. Right now I'm practicing proper coordinated rolls so that my playing looks better. Can still use some tuning, but I think it's pretty good already. I don't get much pop wash. Okay, we are at 3.4 volts. I'm coming back to land. This is 6-minute freestyle flying, and I pretty much pushed it, I think. There we go. 6 minutes and 19 freestyle. Let's go. Nice.